Hey, you've likely encountered the indications of a sore throat in the course of your life. Tingling, scratching, and consuming aren't fun, particularly in the event that they are joined by different indications of a cold or a progressively genuine infection. Sore throats can be absolute hopeless. Welcome back to your channel, Wellbeing, with new interesting topics related to your health. Home remedies for a sore throat. Before starting the video, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications first. Let's go and start the video. Firstly, get a prescription. Infections cause most sore throats. Yet at times, the guilty party can be microscopic organisms. For example, Streptococcus, which causes strep throat. In the event that your irritated throat doesn't disappear or deteriorates, or you're having a temperature, see your primary care physician for a strep test. You may require an antitoxin. On the off chance that your primary care physician endorses an antimicrobial, finish the whole course. Try not to quit taking the medication regardless of whether your side effects vanish and you start to feel good. Halting the antimicrobial could desert a few microorganisms to retaint you. And these microscopic organisms that endure may no longer react to the anti-infection. Second, appreciate a drop of honey. Warm tea that is improved with honey can help calm your bothered throat. Tea additionally keeps you hydrated, which is another significant advance in rewarding an irritated throat. Mix up a cup next time an irritated throat begins to tickle. You should seriously mull over picking a green tea, which fills in as an antibacterial, torment reliever, and rich wellspring of cell reinforcements, just as lessens aggravation. Honey has another advantage when you're wiped out. Examination shows that it's a powerful hack suppressant and functions just as the OTC hack medicine. 3. Apple juice vinegar. Apple juice vinegar is a characteristic well-being tonic. It has been a staple in people medication solutions for hundreds of years. Its principal dynamic fixing acidic corrosive helps battle microbes. The antiquated Greek doctor Hippocrates, known as the dad of medication, recommended a blend of apple juice vinegar and honey, called oxymel, to treat influenza indications, for example, hacks and sore throats. To help alleviate throat torment, drink 1 cup of warm water blended with 1 tablespoon of apple juice vinegar and 1 discretionary tablespoon of honey. The potential dangers of apple juice vinegar incorporate tooth rot and stomach-related issues. Apple juice vinegar has antibacterial properties, and when an individual blends it in limited quantities in with warm water, could help ease sore throat. 4. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is an adaptable food with a few medical advantages. Coconut oil is additionally mitigating in the light of the fact that it greases up the mucus layers in the throat. Here are a couple thoughts to attempt. Add a spoonful to hot tea or hot cocoa. Add a spoonful to soup. Put a spoonful in the mouth, permitting it to soften and cover the throat. Limit coconut oil utilization to around 2 tablespoons, 30 ml every day, as it can have a purgative impact at higher measurements. When utilizing coconut oil just because, start with 1 teaspoon, 5 ml at once to limit possible reactions. Coconut oil is exceptionally mitigating on the throat and may have calming impacts. Take up to 2 tablespoons every day, alone or in warm drinks. 5. Remain hydrated. Remaining hydrated is a significant piece of rewarding an irritated throat. At the point when you're dried out, your body can't deliver enough salivation and bodily fluid to keep your throat normally greased up. This will aggravate the expanding and irritation. Water is a decent decision, as are warm teas or warm soups. Hot tea or hot soup, in any case, may really consume your effectively touchy throat and aggravate the issue. Maintain a strategic distance from caffeine and liquor, which can dry out you considerably more. 6. Salt water rinse. Rinsing with salt water is a notable regular solution for dispose of an irritated throat. The salt diminishes growing by hauling water out of the throat tissue. It might likewise help slaughter unsafe microorganisms in the throat. Join 1 cup of warm water with 1 teaspoon of salt and mix to disintegrate. Rinse with a significant piece of this blend for 30 seconds once per hour. Gargling hourly with warm salt water may help lessen growing and simplify throat distress. 7. Lemon water. Lemon water is reviving refreshment that may likewise lessen the throat torment that happens during a cold or influenza. Lemon contains vitamin C and other amazing cancer prevention agents. These mixes battle irritation and decrease oxidative pressure, which are basic markers of illness. Lemon likewise expands the measure of salivation the body produces, which can help keep the mucus films clammy. Take a stab at consolidating lemon with warm water and a little honey or salt water to augment its advantages. Lemon water contains vitamin C and aggravates that can calm a sore throat and help with mending. 8. Ginger root tea. Ginger is the flavor with antibacterial and mitigating impacts that may help soothe throat torment. Some lab considers have discovered that ginger concentrate can slaughter a few microbes and infections that can cause respiratory sickness. It can likewise diminish aggravation in individuals with tuberculosis, which is a lung sickness. Ginger tea is accessible from most markets and on the web. Individuals can likewise make their own from new ginger. This tea functions admirably warmed, wearing, or served cold. Ginger root tea may help battle disease, diminish aggravation, and calm sore throat torment. 9. Peppermint tea. Peppermint tea contains calming mixes and is extremely relieving to the throat. The mint may likewise marginally numb the throat along these lines, alleviating torment. Peppermint tea is without caffeine, and its normally sweet taste frequently requires no extra sugar. To make peppermint tea at home, steep new peppermint leaves in bubbling water for 3 to 5 minutes. At that point, strain off the leaves. Peppermint tea is delicious, reviving refreshment that may help diminish irritation and throat distress. 10. Garlic. Garlic likewise has normal antibacterial properties. It contains allicin, an organosulfur compound known for its capacity to fend off contaminations. Studies from trusted sources have indicated that taking a garlic supplement all the time can help forestall the normal cold infection. Adding new garlic to your eating regimen is additionally a method of picking up its antimicrobial properties. Your grandma may have advised you to suck on a clove of garlic to soothe a sore throat. Since garlic has many mending activities, you may attempt this. However, you might need to brush your teeth a short time later to shield your teeth from catalysts and improve your health. At the end, bring home message. Regardless how solid an individual is, everybody gets an irritated throat incidentally. Be that it as may, there are numerous means an individual can take to calm a sore throat and energize mending. Make certain to see a specialist if an irritated throat goes on for longer than a couple of days or is incredibly difficult. Extreme or determined agony may show strep throat, tonsillitis, or another genuine disease that requires clinical treatment. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like, subscribe to our channel, and press bell icon to get the notification first and know about another health issue.